Connecting your AirPods Pro 3 to an iPad should feel quick and seamless, but if you're doing it for the first time, it might not always happen automatically the way you expect. Sometimes the setup animation appears instantly, while other times you may need to go through Bluetooth settings manually. This can make it seem like your AirPods aren't being detected or something isn't working properly. The key thing to understand is that your AirPods need to be in pairing mode and your iPad needs Bluetooth ready to connect. Once the initial pairing is done correctly, everything becomes effortless. Your AirPods will automatically reconnect whenever you use them. It's a simple, one time setup that gives you a smooth wireless audio experience every time. Try these. Step 1. Open the AirPods Pro 3 case with the earbuds inside. Step 2. On your iPad, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and turn it on. Step 3. Bring the case close to your iPad and wait for the pairing pop up. Step 4. Tap Connect when the setup screen appears. Step 5. If no pop up shows, press and hold the setup button on the case until the light flashes. Step 6. Select your AirPods from the Bluetooth list and confirm connection.